In primetime news this evening, beating the heat or battered by the heat, TVJ explores how Jamaicans are coping with the increased temperatures. Dead people voting, opposition leader under fire for suggesting PNP supporters should engage in unethical practice, and MP halts mining in Western Portland community amid flooding concerns.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, locally owned hardware chain K-Ban has expanded into the corporate area. I'll tell you where a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Archie, we know that Khadija Shaw was red carded she had a second yellow card in the Jamaica's opening match against France at the Women's World Cup on Sunday. But could the Reggae Girls still have their talismanic captain available for their next match on Saturday? I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
I really do hope so. It looked like intriguing. France's strategy was hurt Connie Shaw.
Two defenders on that.
We can talk about this all night, but Romain is standing by with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. We have some changes in the forecast coming up for this week with some shower activity expected and some thunderstorms as well, especially by Wednesday going into Friday. We're expecting an increase in showers and thunderstorm across the island. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what changes have you made to better deal with the heat?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.